As your business grows, all your locations should deliver the same great experience your customers expect. With ServiceChannel, all your facilities maintenance and repairs are managed in one place, so you can see how your business is performing at a glance. To quickly resolve issues, your staff can easily request service in an app or on the web. You can even call us for help. We answer 24/7. With guided troubleshooting support, you can avoid sending a provider to your location unless they're actually needed. Whether you're using in-house technicians or external vendors, your work orders are automatically dispatched to the right provider for the job, so they can get to work fast. And communication with your providers happens right in ServiceChannel, so they have all the information they need to fix the problem on the first visit. By having your providers check in with GPS when they arrive on site, you know the work was done and how long it took. With everyone on the same page about the status of your work orders, your team wastes less time on chasing down and following up, so they can spend more time on serving your guests. By using our app to survey your site conditions, you can catch problems early and get things back in top shape quickly. As you open new locations, quickly roll out your Proven Facilities program to protect your brand reputation. And keep all your equipment running smoothly by putting planned maintenance on autopilot. By tracking the detailed health of your assets, you can make smart investments to reduce cost and improve sustainability. And with tools for controlling costs and avoiding waste, you can protect your profits and get more out of your budget. Your savings start with using the most cost-effective service providers in every trade, which you can easily find by searching on ServiceChannel. You can turn on automatic spending limits so you don't blow your budget. And you can automatically validate the labor and material costs on your invoices so you never overpay. With all this automation, ServiceChannel helps you grow your business without having to grow your team. Over 300,000 locations rely on ServiceChannel because they can rest easy knowing their locations are giving guests a great experience on every visit. And if you're ready to learn more, request a custom demo at ServiceChannel.com.